Hi guys! Naku, ayan, raw video na naman ngayon guys. Siguro nakita mo tong video na to kasi kailangan mong marinig tong thoughts na to. Ang daming nangyayari sa mundo, um, ang daming pwedeng cause ng stress, depression dito sa mundo. So kung isa ka sa nakakaranas ng stress, depression, feeling mo nag-iisa ka, always pray to God, and then always ask for the people na around you na may makausap ka or may tumulong sa'yo sa nangyayari sa'yo. Halimbawa, if you are dealing right now sa anxiety, if you are dealing right now with lubog sa utang, ganyan, I hope that everyone will get their courage, have their courage to reconnect to God, kasi bibigyan talaga ni God talaga tayo ng mga pagsubok minsan to reconnect again sa Kanya, and then to feel again na may nandiyan si Lord. Trust the process and trust what's God's plan for you, not your plan for yourself. Okay, if your plan if your plan if your plan right now is not working, ayaw magtugma, ayaw sumunod sa mga plano, yung mga gusto mong mangyari, trust God's process, trust God's redirection, because God knows what's better for you. Don't plan for yourself alone. Kasi everything na nangyayari in your plan was God's also plan for you. If it is not happen, it's God's redirection. Always nyo yan tatandaan, guys. If you feel distant to God, maybe this time, kaya medyo niyayanig ka ni Lord, medyo binibigyan ka ng problema para mas ma-feel mo na I am distant to the Lord. Siya lang yung makakatulong sa akin. Siya lang yung makakapitan ko. Kaya, every time na nakaka-feel ka ng sadness, ng anxiety, or anything in your life, mag-pray ka lang kay Lord. And then, yung prayer na yon dapat ikip mo sa sarili mo na I am trusting the Lord. I am trusting God. Because if you already prayed and you still worried, ibig sabihin you're not trusting. Okay po? You're not trusting God's plan, but you're trusting your plan. Okay po? So, para mas alam mo sa sarili mo that you're trusting God, mag-pray ka, and then tell to yourself that God is there to guide me and to redirect me if this is not the good plan for me. So, yun lang guys. Ayun. Sana always reconnect to the Lord, kasi only si God lang talaga ang may plan sa atin at nakakaalam kung ano ang pwede mangyari sa life natin. Not every day is fiesta, not every day is good and healthy. Only God knows whatever or what you need to do, or what He need to do sa atin, or what He plans for us. Yun lang guys.